Are you looking to unbig your back in 2025? Are you sick of restarting your fitness journey over and over and over?
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad!
Well, I think you're in the right place. Here are a few tips for starting your fitness journey from a person that went from this to this. Here are my favorite tips. So I have 5 tips for anyone out there that is trying to start a fitness journey in 2025. My first tip is just being consistent. You don't have to be perfect, you just need to be consistent. Consistency is truly the key to progress. It's truly the key of finding a regimen. Like, even if you do 30-minute workouts consistently every day, you will end up meeting your goal eventually. So just start and just be consistent. This next tip kind of go hand in hand with my last tip, and that is just starting. Just start your fitness journey. If you plan to be fit in 2025, you don't have to wait till 2025. You can start your fitness journey today. You can start your fitness journey right after watching this video. You don't have to wait until 2025, or you don't have to wait until a certain Monday or a certain date or after a certain trip to start your fitness journey. Just start your journey now, because I promise you, if you don't start your fitness journey, you will delay it, or you may never even start. So don't overthink it. Just begin. Whether you begin with a 10-minute workout or you begin with a 45-minute workout, just start your fitness journey. Find time within your day and just start your fitness journey. My next tip is to be kind. Be kind to yourself when you're starting your fitness journey. You've probably already beat yourself up so much already for gaining the weight or being overweight or your body not looking a certain way that you want it to look. So just be kind to yourself. Our fitness journey is hard enough. So it's very important that you're just kind to yourself. Celebrate the small things. If you start your fitness journey and you've gone to the gym consistently, celebrate yourself. Whether that is just going out to buy yourself a smoothie or putting money back to get a certain workout set, be kind to yourself and also give yourself grace. Now, my next tip is joining an accountability group. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you already know that I usually start an accountability group at least twice a year. I'll start one up. And so what is an accountability group? So accountability group is basically a group of people who are on a fitness journey. They may be on different journeys, whether that's to gain weight or lose weight, but they're in a group, whether that's in social media or through text message on their phone. And so it's just a group of people encouraging each other. So I recently started a 21, if my phone will focus. So my phone won't focus, but I recently created a 21-day accountability group. And basically what I do is seek out, or I put up a poll for a group of ladies that want to join my 21-day or 31-day accountability group. And what we basically do is introduce ourselves. We share our goals with one another. We share check-in videos. So what that basically means is that 3 to 5 days out of the week, we send each other proof showing that we went to the gym. Whether that's a picture of the gym sign or a picture of our outfit or a picture of a machine. The purpose of that is to hold ourselves accountable and hold our accountability members accountable of going to the gym. And so it's basically a way to keep you on track, introduce you to other people on the same journey as you, share tips and encourage you. So join an accountability group, whether that's you joining a group on social media or that's you getting with your mom and your sisters or your cousins to come in a text message group together and just basically start your fitness journey. In a way, it encourages you to want to do great because you know that you have eyes on you watching, or you have people in your group that's going to say, hey, you didn't post today, or just making sure, just want to look good to other people. So it's a group to hold you accountable and hold yourself accountable to doing what you need to do to stay on track with your fitness journey. So my favoriteest tip, if favoriteest is even a word, my favoriteest tip is to join an accountability group or even start one. So if you want to be in my next accountability group, I will probably start another group after Valentine's Day. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram. I'll do a poll to create my next group in February. All you have to do is like the poll. I like to keep it intimate, so it's first come, first serve. So it's usually about 10 to 15 people. But until then, find an accountability group, join it, Now my next tip is to buy some clothes. I know y'all are probably thinking like, buy some clothes. How is that going to keep me on my fitness journey?
I said what I said.
Something about new gym clothes just makes me feel good. It makes me want to go to the gym. Knowing that I'm going to the gym looking cute, I feel confident. I want to go. I'm excited to go. I'm excited to go take my gym picture. I'm just excited to get there. So it doesn't necessarily have to be something cute, but find some clothes that you're comfortable in. Find some clothes that's going to make you feel confident, comfortable. It's just something that encourages me to get to the gym. So make sure you have gear that is safe, that is comfortable, that is cute. That's my main thing. So find you some good sneakers, find you a cute workout set. I like to shop on Gymshark or Women's Best. You can even catch cute clothes at Target, but just find you some gym clothes and just go to the gym and look cute. Take your picture, start. You don't even have to take a picture. Just get there, get comfortable, go to the gym. Now, I think I said I was going to give y'all 5 tips, but I do have another tip, and that is to listen to your body. When starting my fitness journey, I would do cardio over and over and over for hours and hours. And maybe cardio is not what your body needs. Maybe your body needs strength training, or maybe your body just needs rest. So when starting your fitness journey, please just listen to your body. Don't go too hard. Not saying don't go hard, but if you go too hard and you wake up the next day and your body is just tired, take a rest day and start back. As long as you start back, just listen to your body. So that is all the tips that I have for you guys today. If you want more tips from me as far as like diet, what I'm doing, if you're not new to my channel and been to my channel before, if you want to know where I've been, what's been going on, if you're still watching this video, thank you, and tell me which tip was your favorite tip, or give me a tip on staying on my fitness journey. If you guys want to see what my actual journey looked like, I've been doing this fitness thing for a while. I've lost weight, gained the weight back, had to lose the weight again, lost weight for my wedding. If you want me to sit down and like tell you guys about my journey, or you want to see my journey from start to finish on why I went to my journey, let me know. I may have a story on my page already, but I can definitely do an updated story on what I'm eating, how my journey is going, and what I'm currently doing now. More videos to come. Thank you guys for watching.